guys, welcome to Thrifty Thursday. It's Megan from Crave Your Home and I'm in full spring ahead mode today. I'm heading out and I'm going to do some spray painting and I'm going to work on my garden and get things looking like spring. But first I wanted to head down to Dollarama to see what they had in indoor spring decor, because I always find that once I have the inside of my house feeling like spring, I can tackle the outside. And the inside is not weather dependent. And here in Newfoundland, it takes a while before you can really put anything outside. So I wanted to get the inside done first. So let's head down to Dollarama and see what they have. I love these flowery mugs. These would be really cute for the DIY candles that I've done before. The blue ones up here are really cute too. Just loving all the spring colors that they have in their dishes. I've used these white bowls a good bit as well. These mugs are really nice. I love the aqua color and they're a nice big coffee mug. So now let's head down to the flowers. These decorative sticks, I've used these before. I have them in a vase at home. I have these large natural color ones. They're a great way to add some rustic decor. I also love this green color vase. This is a new one that they have in this shade, different from their regular glass vases, which are still nice too. I like the glass vases for putting candles in. You can put some sand and stuff in them. This is a new one that has like a wider lip on the top of it, would be nice for flowers. These wreaths, you have to pick one of these up for a future DIY. These are really, really cute. And I would put 3 of them together, attach them with a little bit of ribbon in between, and hang 3 of them on your front door for a big impact. Love these little tulips that they have now too, in the ceramic pots. Anything with the concrete pots I absolutely love. I find it gives a really nice look to their flowers. So this print is really cute too with the leaves. I would pick up a couple of these, print off some different leaf motifs and add them in. I also like these cactus pictures that they have. I think they're really cute and feminine. I picked up a couple of these actually for my own kids' bathroom because I just thought they were really sweet together. And you can put 4 of them together if you want, or you can put 1 on top of the other or 3 on top of the other depending on the space you need to fill. But these are a really cute way to add some whimsical decor. These I found in the garden section. They come individually, but I would actually glue 3 together to make it like an old-fashioned toolbox that you can put flowers in. Another idea is to hang hooks up so you can hang each one individually and plant herbs in them. Great ideas. These tea towels I love. You can use them in your kitchen to add a little color, or you can do the DIY videos that I've done before on making tea towel accent pillows, which would also be really cute. I love these silver watering cans. I did not see these last year. These would be really cute with a flower in them for your front step or your patio. Also these silver buckets and the white buckets with rope handles. I always use these for flowers as well. Love them for the spring.